See how beautiful this scrolling effect is looking, isn't it? Let's see how to create it. Insert your images. Then go to MS Excel and write numbers 1 to 31 as dates. And months from January to December. Then copy the dates and paste them in PowerPoint. Select the text. Resize it to 72. Then select the text. Resize it to 72. And select your font. In our case, it is Source Sans Pro Semi-Bold. And then place it on its right place. Then again go to Excel, copy the months and paste them in PowerPoint. Then use Format Painter option to format the text. And then place it on its right place. Then insert the text box and write centuries in it. Now again use Format Painter to format the text. And then write the years in the text box. Format the text. Then move the guides to the text area. Duplicate the image. And crop it so the unwanted text is not visible. Then move the text with your arrow keys and place it so the right date is visible. Do the same formatting in the other slides. Then insert a text box and write your text in it. Select the text, resize it, and unselect your font. Again do the same formatting in the other slides. Select all the slides, go to Transitions, apply Morph, and in Effect option select Characters. Now let's see the effect. How beautiful this effect is looking, isn't it?